Hey, it's Alejandro Ledesmai with Urbanist Realty. As soon as you walk up to this property, you'll see the big security gate right up front. This property is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, and it's at 2009 Wengert Avenue, Las Vegas. This property does have a two-car carport, and then those two windows that you see there, that's for the master bedroom. This other window here is for the spare bedroom. To the right here, you have an entrance to the garage that has been converted and it is permitted. And then as we come into the entrance, you'll see a window through right there by the kitchen. So it does have a lot of natural light. I'll come back to the kitchen here in a minute. Let me show you the backyard. The backyard does have a covered patio. It does have a garden for all your veggies. Then as I turn around here, you'll see the open floor plan. And then that black gate does connect on both sides. Here in the kitchen, we do have granite countertops. You see the beautiful white cabinets. All right, and it does have a AC is 2 zones, so that thermostat does control the kitchen and the living room, and there is one for just the bedrooms as well. I'm going to show you the garage as well here. And the garage does have its own mini split AC system, and it does have an entrance in the back as well. Yeah, all right, I'm gonna just go back here so you can see the kitchen one more time. And close to here, there is a Lowe's, which is about 1.5 miles, Cardenas, which is about 1 mile, and then the Albertson Shopping Center. Here at the Albertson Shopping Center, you have Tacos El Gordo, you have Little Caesars, Ross. So it is a big shopping center here as well. All right. Perfect, guys. Well, if you have any questions, don't give me a call, 702-755-0969. Thank you.